Most investors think they know which ETF is best for long-term growth, usually the one dominating headlines. But what if the truth about how a $100,000 investment grows in VOO versus SCHD isn't what you expect? Today, we're breaking down a clear, data-driven comparison of these two investing giants so you can decide which strategy fits your financial future. Let's start with VOO. This ETF tracks the S&P 500, giving you exposure to America's 500 largest companies. Its goal is simple: match the market's performance by buying all these stocks in the same proportion. VOO is known for its super low expense ratio of just 0.03%, meaning more of your money stays invested. Its biggest holdings are tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, making up a large part of its portfolio. This tech-heavy exposure has been a huge driver of VOO's strong returns in recent years. Now, let's switch gears to SCHD. This is a dividend-focused ETF, tracking companies that have consistently paid dividends for at least 10 years. But it's not just about high dividends. SCHD screens for financial health, looking at cash flow, debt ratios, and dividend growth to avoid risky yield traps. Its expense ratio is also very low at 0.06%, and its top holdings include stable companies like Coca-Cola, Verizon, and Cisco. Unlike VOO, SCHD is more focused on consumer staples, energy, and industrials, giving it a different risk and return profile. So how have these ETFs actually performed? Over the past 5 years, VOO has delivered an impressive annual growth rate of 15.9%, while SCHD achieved 12.23%. Looking at the 10-year period, VOO maintained a strong 12.82% annual growth rate compared to SCHD's 10.58%. Since their inception, VOO, which launched in 2010, has averaged 14.25% annually, while SCHD, launched in 2011, has averaged 12.23% per year. Clearly, VOO has delivered higher long-term growth, mainly due to its exposure to the biggest growth engines in the US market, especially the technology sector. But what if you had actually invested real money? Let's look at a backtest from October 2011 to mid-2025, where $100,000 was invested in each ETF. During this period, VO grew to $635,000, resulting in a total return of 535%, while SCHD grew to $485,000, delivering a total return of 385%. That's a significant difference, however. It's important to understand what you value more in your portfolio. VOO is a great choice if you are focused on maximizing growth over decades, riding the market's overall upward trajectory. On the other hand, SCHD is ideal if you prioritize steady dividend income and some portfolio stability, especially as you approach retirement. Here's the key takeaway: the smartest investors don't just pick one ETF. They build diversified portfolios that combine growth and income, leveraging the strengths of each. If you want to learn how to combine multiple ETFs to build a powerful and balanced portfolio, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if this breakdown helped you, please like and share so we can keep bringing you more clear, data-backed investing strategies.